Heatmakers, crack music.
So I don't know about you, but I know about me. Young OG, trying to make it out the streets. When you get focused, they say you Hollywood.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. You gotta be willing to take the hit.
About you out in the streets, baby.
Time to work. You got time to play no games.
Yeah, I feel you, man. You know, I'm just touching the bricks.
Man. Oh, and you know, everything is good for me out here.
Man, listen, man.
Niggas been waiting for you.
I'm here, baby.
I'm here waiting for you to hit these streets.
I'm here, but listen, check it out, right? But my homies, you know, man, he smashed me something really nice, man.
Oh, so we on?
Listen, nice.
You know I fucks with you. You know I fucks with you.
Listen, style of living.
I got a nice little change. I got a nice little shit. With some light shit.
Right.
But shit, you got it? We on.
Listen, the whole key to it is though, all that, you know, out there busting around, all that, you know what I mean?
We good on that, man. That shit, we already put that work in. Put the work in already. The groundwork is laid. So every niggas know who we are. So they ain't gotta be doing that young shit. You understand what I'm saying? And I got a tight team. Okay. My youngest, they tight. They bust. If they come to it, they bust. Right. But right now, we ain't about that shit. We trying to get money. We trying to eat. Okay. So fucking with you means that niggas either gotta come down a little bit more. Right. Say no word.
You know, my main thing is this, man. You know, force me to get money up. You take that shit down bottom, go down here to the party where we live here, and walk. So,
It's a city life. So you already know. Nobody wanna fuck with you folks.
right, you already?
Nobody wanna fuck with you folks. I know you ain't have a good time up in there.
Not at all.
You trying to do it. You trying to do it.
Listen, say no more, we're gonna get this money, man, roll with it.
Alright, man, that's what it is.
That's what it is, then, man.
That's the top line. I mean,
You know what? Give me the Friday. 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 Before we smash you, we're gonna do what we do.
Alright, so I mean, we fucking with that soft.
Listen to that. Soft.
You want soft? Alright.
We need that crack in the young and we doing grown people shit.
Alright, I got some real nice hitters. I got some real nice hitters.
Okay.
It's Legacy Heartbreaker, man. I've been through some real shit. Ain't nothing gonna stop me though. Nothing.
What up, man? What's good, man? Little something. Yeah, you killing them out there in the streets, man. Rockaway lifestyle going crazy.
Hey, no shit.
Hot wash.
Follow me, man. But then, you know, it's a chess move. Now's my turn. Exactly. You know how we do, we OGs. We good at this game.
But I got something. I got something for you. Let me see.
See what you working with. Let me see what you working with. Let me see.
Nah, they come through and bless, my man. Yikes! They snatch that, they got to take your neck with you.
Woo!
You know what I mean?
Yikes! I'm coming from the dirt with tough love to hurt. Can't tell me shit about the struggle till you put in work. I stood on these corners from the first till the first. I'm trying to sell this crack, lady, I don't want your purse. Look how these niggas talking down as if they doing better. But I'm the one they call when they ain't need an extra cheddar. I did them cold nights, buckle on 3 sweaters. Tim's on, in and out the store to get warm. See, this the life that separate the weak from the strong. On the grind is bound to get a real nigga on. These ain't familiar faces, they see I'm going places. We used to walk. Thanks, homie.
All day.
I appreciate it. Man.
All day.
This shit crazy, man.
How many times?
But I think I need a rolling over there too, so get a chance.
You got a little bit of ice this time or no ice?
A little bit. But probably just the best of shit like that. You know? Let's get on that for me.
Wednesday.
Definitely.
You good?
Love you, man.
Love you too. All right, baby. I'll see you later.
All right.
All right. Safe.
Yeah. But now it's like we racing. Salute to all my real hitters, this is dedication. The ones that knew I had talent but remain patient. My work ethic about to have these fuck niggas hating. When you spit that real shit, they fear you about to make it. They the ones that treat you different, talking about you changing. I keep a clip for backstabbers, best believe I'm waiting. You ain't about to stop me, I'm a walking dynasty. I got God beside me.
Bitches acting crazy. You already know how I do. You fucking wild boy with these bitches.
Yo,
What up, Sal?
it's good. How you?
Ain't shit. What's shaking?
Shit, I'm out here on the block.
You out here by yourself?
Yeah, man. Nigga Blizz, he skated off somewhere, man.
Hey, alright then, I need to take care of y'all. Take care of him real quick one time. Find out where the fuck this nigga at.
Man, call that nigga, man. Call that nigga, man.
What's good, boy?
Oh, yeah, you know, trying to get that bread. Joe, I think I need to tell you something.
What happened?
Got caught slipping the other day.
What?
Got caught slipping. Niggas got me running around the corner. Some nigga hoodied up. Called me slippery.
I slipping for what?
Bread, man.
What bread? Not the bread from the pack.
What I was supposed to give you for the pack.
Are you fucking kidding me, dog?
No, serious. No, serious.
What the fuck is you doing walking with the pack? Nigga, you know you owe bread now. Ain't no fucking just let it out. We don't take no L's. So you know that shit that right there, you off. You off for that pack.
That was good.
Yeah, well, alright then, it's what it is. You gonna work this whole fucking week and that make up for that bread that you lost.
I just gotta take that L.
So when this nigga Blizz come over here, have that nigga call me. Yo, and I don't wanna hear no bullshit about, yo, I'm out here all day. You need to be out here all day. Cause you got double bread to make up. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know, man.
Double fucking bread to make up. You got that bread, plus you got to make this. This is your shift. So you fucking that off and you fuck this off.
Listen, when I do what I gotta do, I took that L. You know what I mean? But I got you on this comeback.
Yo, call that nigga and see what the fuck that nigga at. That shit crazy. Y'all niggas is wild. Yo, have that nigga call me when the fuck he get over here.
All right.
Got money.
Yo, on square floors, I serve butter to get. Jumpsuit and Pataki's fresh home but focused, hopeless, finding out ways.
You're black, man. Where you been at, man? What's really good with you, man?
Chilling, man. I'm hungry, man. That's where I've been at. I'm hungry, trying
man.
to eat, man.
I caught one without you, man.
I know. You came off.
Man.
I thought we was brothers, man. Why you ain't split that
We
pot
are,
with me, man?
man. You know, if I see it, I gotta get it, man.
Listen, I gotta eat, man. I had to go get me some food, bro. I can't keep robbing niggas and not eating, man.
I feel you,
All
man.
you want to do is rob niggas and smoke that loud, man.
The money gonna get us the food,
I don't
man.
care. And that's what I did. I caught that good judge from old boy, and I got some food, man.
I hear you, man. It's good, though, man.
You know what, man? I don't want to talk to you about it no more, man. You caught that judge, you ain't break bread. Watch what I do, man. Look at that nigga right there, man. He's shining. Watch what I do, man. You know him.
Chill,
that's
man.
your man, not my man. Ain't no friends in this game, man.
I hear you, man.
I fucks with you, but watch what I do, man.
I asked you to chill, though, black.
Yo, bro, watch me work, bro.
All right.
Watch me work. Hold me down.
How my cut?
Cut? You ain't give me a cut. You ain't getting nothing, man. Hold it down, man.
I can dig it.
Told him smoke this, gave him dap like holeless. Me and the broad meet you tomorrow for this road trip. In and out every bank, hit every route, make sure correct amount, can't lie, check the account. For my dogs, they need burners, I gave them out. Broke some laws, but beat the murders, I paid it out. Helped them out if you tough, why yell and shout when they kill Ricky, you turn in the trade like let him out. Gutter lock, sent the fill box, I set him out. No Sugar Hill, posted in the Jag, but mellowed out.
وهذا ينعكس سلبا على الشباب الذين يقاومون في شوارع عدن باستثناء المنصورة.
ليسوا لواحد فوق السن وفوق.
You know what it is, man. Give it up. You know what it is. Give up everything. I want everything. Let me get everything. Oh, you had 3 on? I thought you had 2. Let me get that one too. Let me get that one too. Everything. Where that money at? What's up? You got some bread? What's this? Oh, you front. Let me get that, man. What's this? Let me everything. Let me get that belt too. Cash out. Cash out, man. Go back there. Get on the floor, man. Get on the floor, man. Count to 50 and get up, man. You heard?
You got it, let's get it. Yeah. Who got them to get it? Cause they got them, they get it. Yeah. Every shot that we send it, we hotter, we win it. This ain't no bullshit, nigga. This a full clip. We ain't got it, we get it. Yeah. You got it, let's get it. Yeah. Who got them to get it? Cause they got them, they get it. Yeah. Every shot that we send it, we hotter, we win it. This ain't no bullshit, nigga. This a full clip.
We ain't got it, we get it. You ain't got it, we get it. If we got it, it's get it, get it.
It's a chance. What we gotta do to maintain.
Things change, nothing was the same. Let's just be in the party again.
It's a chance. What we gotta do to maintain.
Things change, nothing was the same. Now we out here dealing with obstacles. And see a nigga gotta do what he got to do. Everybody got a dream and a dollar and a scheme. I'm trying to eat good shrimps and lobsters too. And every day it seems closer we getting now. You gotta get up, stand up, no sitting down. Keep preparing the heat in my ears to the streets. When shit gets deep, I hope y'all listen now.
When I look back home, my country, I see a lot of things that just ain't fair, no. Everybody's looking for something. I can feel it, it's in the air. It's a chance.
changed, nothing was the same. That's just being a part of the game.
It's a shame. What we gotta do to maintain.
Things change, nothing was the same.
See, sometimes a game can do something strange to you. Then things start to change, and nothing's the same no more. See, sometimes a game can do something strange to you, and everything changes, and nothing's the same no more.
Nothing was the same.
When the sun goes down in the city,
lights out
in the street.